Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine and healthy at your home. This is the 17th week of online classes, so let's start with the great name of Allah Almighty. Grade 6 subject Mathematics exercise 9a page 212, date is 10 July, and here I'm your teacher Saima Raza. Learning objectives of this video are 3 quantities involving ratios. Exercise 9a. Questions we are going to solve 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Exercise 9a, page number 212, question number 2 is there. Part A. Find the value of A where A ratio 400 is equal to 6 ratio 25. We can write in the place of ratio division as well, like A divided by 400, equal sign and 6 divided by 25. In green color you can see that there is written cross multiplication. You can multiply A with 25, that become 25A, and 400 with 6, it will be 2400. And furthermore, that you can also do that A in the left hand side and 2400 in the numerator and 25 will come in the denominator. The reason is that because 25 is multiplying with A, and the right hand side when you will bring it, it will be gonna divide. So when you will divide these both numbers in your simple calculator, the answer of A will be 96. B part is there. Given that 5B ratio 8 is equal to 2 ratio 5, find the value of B. That is also exercise 9a and page number 212. We are going to write 5B ratio 8 is equal to 2 ratio 5. Or you can write it as in the place of ratio division as well. 5b divided by 8 is equal to 2 divided by 5. We are going with the cross multiplication. 5b multiplied by 5, so 5 5 is 25b. 8 is going to be multiplied by 2, so 8 2 is 16. B will be on the left hand side and A is going to be multiplied with B, so on the right hand side of the equation when you will take it, so it will be divided on the denominator. So no further can be simplified, so the answer of B will be 16 divided by 25. Question number 3 is there. Given that 2x divided by 5 is equal to 3y divided by 8, find the ratio of x ratio y. There is also exercise 9a, page number 212. The question is 2x divided by 5 is equal to 3y divided by 8. So we will go with the cross multiplication. 8x is going to be multiplied 2x is going to be multiplied with the 8, it will be 16x, and 5 is going to be multiplied with the 3, so it will be 15y. Now we are going to separate the variables and constant. What is variable? Variable A till Z, they are called variables. That can be A, B, C, D, anything. But in our question, the variable is x and y. So we will write x divided by y on the left hand side, and constant. What is constant? From 0 till any number that can be constant, which is not having any variable with itself. So 15 divided by 16. So you can write your answer is also that can be in division form or in ratio form. But when we see the question is find the ratio, so we have to write our answer in this form. X ratio y is equal to 15 ratio 16. Question number 4 is there. Given that A ratio B ratio C, the values are 75 ratio 125 ratio 132. It is having 3 parts. First part is simplify A, B, C. It means that these three we have to simplify it with any table. Second is there, find B and A. This is the value of B, this is the value of A. Third is there, find B, C. This is B and C. So let's go with the solution. First it was that we have to simplify A, B, C. So we will go with the table 3. 3 to the 6, 1 carry to the 5, 3 5 is 15. 3 4s are 12, 0, and 0 will come the same. Okay, 3 4s are 12, 1 carry to the 2, it will be 12, 3 4s are 12. This is the answer of part 1. Part B is there, B ratio A. It is the value is 40 and ratio 25. This was the value of B and this was the value of A. Furthermore, we are going to simplify it, or you can take it from over here as well. That is 40 and 25. Both are right, whether you can take from the question or you can take from the part 1. There will be no any objection in that. Okay. So 40 ratio 25. We are going with the table 5. 5 is a 40, 5 5 is a 25. Now third is here B ratio C. We have taken the value from the part 1. B is having 40 and C is having 44. So you can simplify it with the table 4. 4 10s are 40, 4 11s are 44. Question number 5 is there, that is words problem. You can use it in the real life applications of in your ratio as well. There's exercise 9A and page number 212. So there are 14 boys and 25 girls in a school badminton team. Find the ratio of part 1 is there, the number of the boys to the number of the girls. It is boys, it is girls. So the answer is 14 ratio 25. That is too easy. You have find the answer from the question as well, because it is asking that find the number of the boys to the number of the girls. So 14 ratio 25. The number of the girls to the total number of the players in the team. Total number of the team is 14 plus 25. It will be 39. So the girls only is 25. You can write 25 ratio 39. So let's go with the solution again. As I have solved the question in the solution, I have told in the question as well. So ratio of the number of the boys to the number of the girls, 14 ratio 25 is the answer. And second one was ratio of the number of the girls to the total number of the players in the team. The girls were 25 and the total team was 39. That is the answer. Question number 6 is there. A total of 3,600 athletes participated in a Singapore 2010 Youth Olympic Games. There were 1,200 media representatives who reported on the games, 20,000 volunteers who helped out the games, and 370,000 spectators who attended the games. Find the ratio. So we have to find the ratio over here. So it is having two parts, the number of athletes to the number of the volunteers. Number 2, the number of the media representative to the number of the athletes to the number of the spectators. So we have to find these two numbers. That one is having the number of the players, and the volunteers. And second thing, we are going to find the number of the media representatives and the number of the players and the number of the people who were watching the game. Ratio of the numbers of the athletes to the number of the volunteers is 3,600 ratio 20,000. So we are going to simplify these both because these numbers are very large, so we have to simplify it with any table, but it can be simplified with the table 4. These 2 0 is going to be cancelled with these 2 0, so we are having only 36, and over here we are having 200. So 4 9s are 36 and 4 5s are 20, and 0 will come over here. It is the part 1. Now we are going to do the part 2. Ratio of the number of the media representatives to the number of the athletes to the number of the spectators. So 1200 ratio 3600 ratio 3,70,000. So we are going to with the table 4. Again with 4, and these zeros are going to be cancelled out with each other. 2 0 from here, 2 0 with from here, and 2 0 over here. It will be 12, it will be 36, and these will be 3700. So 4 3 is 12, 4 9 is 36, and 4 9 is 36. 1 carry to these. So 4 2 is 8, and 4 5 is 20. Answer. Homework for the NEET notebook is there. Exercise 9A, page 212 questions. You have to do 2, 3, 4, and 5. So keep practicing and best of luck. Try your best. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.